First call of the day, 8:30 on a Sunday. On call, let's get it. First call of the day at a new construction. Plumbers were out here on Friday to repair a gas leak on a furnace. I mean, not on a water heater, which plumbers, water heaters, HVAC guys, furnaces, well, their water heater wasn't turned on. And the plumber that was out here on Friday didn't turn it on. That was my first call. Turn on a hot water heater. We got her on. We're headed to our next call. HVAC blower not turning on. So we're gonna head that way. It is 9 o'clock. I will see you guys when we get there. Ah, okay. No, you're good. I found your problem. So, it's frozen. Yeah. Like a block of ice. Here, I'll show you a picture. That's your coil. That's where your cooling comes from. So basically that happens when you're low on refrigerant. So it's not, it's R22. So when you're low on either, you can be low on refrigerant or your filter can be dirty, but I mean your filter's clean, so that's good. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, even if you go like 3 to 4 months, it won't get that dirty. It's a R22, and then that's what's causing the water to leak down. Oh yeah. From last time he was here, he posted the pictures or whatever of like the pressures, and so usually on the blue side, that's your low side. You usually want that around 90, and then your low side, and then your red side you want like 220. So even if back then it had problems with it, you probably have a leak or you're low on refrigerant, and we don't carry that refrigerant anymore. Do you have my gas number? Yeah, I got his number. Yeah, I got his number and I can call him. Well guys, there you have it. Another call in the books. Basically, a customer called in saying that no airflow was coming out the vents and system was not cooling down the apartment. So showed up, took the covers off, and coil was a block of ice. Fan was working perfectly fine, but looking back at the history on the actual unit, back in May when we did their maintenance, their pressures were 40. I'll put a picture up there on the screen. Was 40 over 106, on an R22 system. And that was back in May. It's an R22 system. It was from 2006. Carrier. It's done its job. It's time to replace. So, talk to the customer about replacement, about how we're going to send out a sales tech out here on Monday and measure everything and give them a price. There is one more open spot from 2 to 4. So, we'll find out here in a little bit. See if someone calls in. If not, this will be my last call for the day. Well guys, it's time to go home. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all comment, subscribe, and like the video. We're gonna let this guy come on in. There you go. It is a rainy day down here in Kentucky today. Temperature's about 69 degrees. We only had 2 calls for Sunday.